Hey there, federal family. John Sanders with the Benefit Coordinators, your go-to source for all things related to your federal benefits. Today we're going to talk about two things that we don't often think much about until we need them: vision and dental benefits. Now I know what you're thinking. How complicated can that be? Have you tried it? Well, as it turns out, there's a lot more to understand than meets the eye. That's a pun. And believe me, a healthy smile and clear vision can help you a long way, both in your career and in retirement. So let's start with the basics. Vision and dental benefits are not part of the basic federal employee health benefit program, but they are available to you through the Federal Employee Dental and Vision Insurance Program, or FEDVIP. That's right, FEDVIP is where your eye care and dental health comes into play. Okay, first things first, what is FEDVIP and how does that work? Well, it's a separate plan from your traditional FEHB program, and it offers you additional protection specifically for dental and vision care. Now, FEDVIP is voluntary, but trust me, it's a plan worth considering, especially if you want to avoid out-of-pocket surprises when it comes to routine checkups and that occasional unexpected dental procedure. Nobody likes being surprised by a bill. Am I right? Or am I right? Whether you're still in the middle of your federal career or you're getting ready for retirement, FEDVIP can give you the added peace of mind that your eye care and your dental health are in good hands. Let's start with dental coverage. What exactly does it cover and why is it so important? Well, routine cleanings. Keeping your pearly whites in shape is key, and regular cleanings are covered. X-ray, no surprises here. X-rays help detect any issues early on. And I just had mine. Didn't cost me anything extra. Fillings and crowns. Got a cavity? Well, FEDVIP's got you covered. Dentures and orthodontics. Yes, even braces for adults are possible under certain plans. Now, not every plan is created equal, so it's important to review the different options available to you. Whether you're looking at standard or the high option coverage, make sure that the plan you pick aligns with your dental needs. After all, your teeth are with you for life, so let's take care of them. All right, let's shift our focus to vision care. Eye health is something we often overlook, pun intended, but when it comes down to it, FEDVIP vision plans are there to help you see clearly, both in your day-to-day life and the long haul. Eye exams. These are the key to not only checking your vision, but to also checking for early signs of more serious conditions like glaucoma and cataracts. Glasses and contact lenses. Whether you're rocking frames or contacts, FEDVIP covers a portion of your eyewear needs. Laser eye surgery. Yes, some plans even help cover the cost of LASIK if you're looking to ditch the glasses entirely. Again, the level of coverage depends upon your plan, and if you wear glasses and like them, if you like me, and you're thinking about LASIK in the future, vision care is a no-brainer. Not only do you get coverage for the basic needs, but many plans offer discounts on designer frames and especially or specialty lenses. Who doesn't love that one? I do. Now, how do you get enrolled with FEDVIP? Enrollment happens during open season. It's only during open season and the same time of the year that when you make your changes to your health insurance. Open season usually runs mid-November through mid-December, maybe a little bit earlier, maybe a little bit later, but make sure you double check those dates each year. To enroll, simply go to the benefits website. That's where you'll find all the plans, compare the options, and select the right coverage for you. It's pretty smooth, but if you ever need help, you know who to call. Hey, we'll talk about more about this in a second. We at the Benefit Coordinators really enjoy creating this video content for you. If you enjoy it as well, would you please consider clicking the like and the subscribe buttons? Also, clicking the chime will notify you of our new posts. We'd like to provide you, at no cost, a copy of our e-publication, the Federal Employee Benefits Handbook. This is in our 13th year that we've done this for federal employees. It's no cost to you, simply request it of the benefit coordinators. Or if you prefer, you can actually go to Amazon and purchase it yourself. And now, let's get back to the video now that my car has been cleaned. Now here's the big one. As you plan for retirement, you might be thinking about cutting costs wherever you can, but don't forget that dental and vision health are part of your overall well-being. After all, what's the point of retiring if you don't enjoy your golden years with a healthy smile and clear vision? Remember, FedVip isn't just for you right now today, it's for the long run. So whether you're planning for retirement or already enjoying it, taking care of your eyes and your teeth should be on your top to-do list, right? So to wrap it up, I want you to take control of your vision and your dental benefits today. You're worked hard as a federal employee, and your benefits are there to help you stay healthy both now and into the future. So make sure that you enroll in FedVip during the next open season. Compare your options and choose the plan that's going to work best for you. And if you ever need help, just remember, call us at the Benefit Coordinators. We are here to help you understand and maximize your federal benefits so you can focus on what matters most in your life.